In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use mod packs here in Minecraft Java version 1.21.8 and onwards. If you want to level up your Minecraft experience with mod packs, here's how you can install them and use them in Minecraft Java edition 1.21.8. Before we dive into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help out the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. But what you're going to want to do is actually exit out of Minecraft and the launcher. Once you do that, simply go ahead and open up a browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome for this, but you could use whatever you would like. And go to modrinth.com. Up at the very top, you're going to see the section that says Discover Content. Essentially, go ahead and hover over that and select Mods just like so. It's going to pull up a bunch of different pages just like here. But what I recommend doing instead is immediately downloading the Modrinth app by clicking Get Modrinth app and then hitting download just like that. And it's going to download the installer where you just have to go ahead and click on it and go through the installation process by just hitting next a few times, waiting for it to finish and then hitting finish. And it should automatically open up for you and look something like this. Now, what you're going to want to do once you get on the app is sign into your account by clicking sign in the top right corner. And you need to sign into your Minecraft account, aka your Microsoft account. After doing so, click on this little compass icon that says Discover Content and find whatever mod pack you would like. In this case, we're going to do this top one up at the very top, which is called Zombie Invade 100 Days. And essentially, find whatever one you would like and hit install. It'll load for just a little bit of time. It doesn't even take that long. And once it does finish loading, it's going to pop up with something that looks like this and give you the option to play. Now, you can also just go to this little library section and find that exact same mod pack that you just installed and hit the play icon from there. And it's going to go ahead and immediately start launching Minecraft after hitting the play option. Now, this may take a minute if it's your first time loading into the mod pack, but in most cases, it doesn't take too long. I'm going to go ahead and cut for when it actually does load. There we go. As you can see, I have a custom loading screen and everything. That's pretty awesome. But yeah, you just got to hit either single player or multiplayer. For some reason, this is in Chinese right now, I think, or at least some sort of other language. You can create a new world, and there we go. We are getting loaded in just like so. And you're able to now play your modded adventure. And keep in mind, you can do this in single player or multiplayer. But yeah, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.